Alright, so set the 5.4, and then here's the trick to the vertical descent. Tap 5.4, VNAV direct, activate VNAV, and select OK. Now, and slow down. Notice the carrot is coming down to the center, and when it does, you'll be going down. Of course, we're not going to put gear or flaps down because this is an intermediate descent for the course reversal. 130 knots is preferred, but nice smooth day, no worries.
Sure, why are you doing that?
I know why.
Oh, you hit it with the camera?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I nudged it on purpose, just to make sure you're paying attention,
Okay.
actually.
734 Yankee Mike, traffic 12 o'clock, 7 miles, appears to be northbound, indicated altitude is 4,000 unverified.
So now we're in those.
I'm about to go back in the clouds here. Should I take a different heading?
Yeah, you'll be fine, sir. He's going northbound. Just go ahead and continue on the approach.
Continue, 4 Yankee Mike.
The TAA is this pie-shaped area here. This represents, of course, the minimum altitude you can go 30 nautical miles from Kadir. When you're cleared for the approach is 5,400. We've been assigned by 5,400, so that obviates our need to do that or not. So we'll be 5,400 at CDOS.
734 Yankee Mike, update on the traffic.
We'll make the procedure turn.
Northbound, indicated altitude 3,600.
Traffic, Piper 4977 Lima, exiting the airspace. DMC, and I got a little hole here,
course to the
northwest, Cumberland.
Northwest field, thanks, Orange County.
Which way? How low? What's next? Those are the three key questions.
Runway 1.
Dick Rochfort, fly safely. Train often.